Welcome to On Chemistry. This is Organic Chemistry series. Daily one question for you. Here you have starting metal, which is linear compound. It has ketone and ester in alternative position, and you are using sodium borohydride. You should find what will be the final product. The question may look simple, but it involves deep fact, which is chemoselectivity. Basically, you have to find which carbonyl react, whether ketone or ester. If you look at the reactivity of ester, ketone is more reactive because ester has the lone pair of electron in the oxygen. Oxygen donates decrease the positive charge, so it will be less reactive. More the positive charge, better will be the reactivity. So ketone carbonyl is reactive. If you look at sodium borohydride, it is also weak reducing agent because of boron hydrogen bond, which is strong. It cannot donate easily, so it can only attack reactive carbonyl. So final product with only reduction happened at the ketone, not at the ester. The concept you have to learn here is ketone is more reactive than ester. Sodium borohydride is the weak reducing agent. That's all from this video. Thanks for watching. If you have any suggestion or feedback, comment below.